Well, me and my son were metal detecting yesterday. It was his first time really metal detecting, and we were in the yard, in our yard, and he found this awesome thing, and doing a little electrolysis on it, getting it cleaned up a little bit. Hopefully, it's cleaned up pretty good. Been working on it a little bit. Wouldn't believe it. It's a cylinder from a 38 revolver with ammo rounds still in it. It's pretty cool. Let me shut this off. It's pretty cool. There's the rounds. 38 rounds in there. 3 of them. That is pretty cool. He's becoming a good treasure boy. He is so excited to find this. Wish we would have got that all on video yesterday, but we didn't. This was just looked like a clump of rust. Today it's looking good now. Looking like what it was. Still got some cleaning up to do, but it's looking nice.